All right, hello everybody and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we are going to be looking into the actual audio into the EVP, and with things are just that was kind of weird. You probably won't be able to hear it, but something over here fell or moved or something. EVP, and with that was kind of weird. I'm not too sure what exactly happened. But anyways, we're going to be working on this audio. I couldn't figure out for the life of me on certain things of this. So some of them have different sounds. Some of them are kind of weird sounding. I could make out a few of the audio, but not a lot of it, which kind of sucks because for some reason it just didn't really work out properly. Like I can't understand it. I went through it with the last hour and a half to 2 hours just trying to figure out what it said, and through the whole 18 minutes of the EVP. We do have about 20 minutes left of the EVP of last session. So I think after that, we're gonna hold off for a while, but I do have a SB7, and I've got, the rods, I've got all this stuff. So I think I'm gonna do a new session, but with the SB7. So this one says not here. This was at the very beginning of this portion of the audio. It's very hard and faint. Not here. Plain and simple, just not here. All right, so this one says, let me out of here. I think it's been very repetitional lately with that. Get me out of here, let me out of here. There's something they're repeating, basically. I think they're on repeat. I'm not sure if they're actual spirits that I'm communicating with or if they're on repeat, because every time I do any of these EVP sessions, it's always going to be the same thing, which is kind of weird. But there are a lot of weird noises a lot lately, so let's just listen to this. Let me out of here. Just listen to it. Close your eyes, maybe even listen to it. Let me out of here. This says get out of here, like an aggressive sound, where it says just get out of here. Maybe. I might have listened to it wrong. No, it does. Okay. Get out, and then for some reason out, and then here. Get out of here. Maybe. I don't know, it's just getting really hard to understand and really know what they're saying. It's just super, super weird lately. I can't explain on why I can't really understand it lately. So maybe it's telling me to get out of there, probably. I don't know. It's kind of weird. Now, this one is kind of interesting because there's a lot of chattering. I can't really understand it again, but there's a whoop. I think it's a whoop sound, maybe. But let's just listen to it. Right there. It was like kind of weird. Kind of weird. I don't know. Seems kind of fishy to me. Why would it go whoop? And this is another weird noise. I just heard weird noises. That's all I could really figure out what there was. It was just kind of weird. I can't explain, but just weird. Did you hear it? There's chatter here, and there's chatter here. Whatever this is right there, I have no idea what that is. It goes, maybe. Definitely weird. And then there's another weird noise. I can't really understand it. That was a digital sound. It was kind of weird. Like, I'm not sure if Island Girl had done something around this area and it might have caused it, but it kind of sounds a little, not reverbed, but maybe, I have no idea. Here, actually, I found where you could, you know, if cliff effects, blah, reverse. No. See, I don't know. It almost kind of sounds alien, doesn't it? Like, I mean, could digital sound? I'm completely at loss for words for that one. I said hello, and this said hello. Hello. It's really fast. Very wavy over here. Yeah, but this one it gets even weirder. The sound goes from the left ear to the right ear, kind of like a jet going across the sky. Was it up there before? Was it up? It's kind of weird because it starts here and then it kind of just tapers off to the middle here. Was it up there before? Was it up there before? That's when my my microphone out of my camera fell. So now I have it a little bit different so it doesn't actually fall again. And the very, very last one that I could actually really make out for words, besides weird noises and whoop sound and whatnot, is my name is. So my name is right through here. Or it's my name. My name. I thought I was supposed to stay right there. Okay then. But yeah, this is my name, and then it's kind of weird. I'm gonna reverse this. Oops, what? There we go. I'm gonna reverse this and see what it sounds like. I don't know. It's kind of weird. But that noise right there. Right here, I think. I don't know, it's just kind of weird. I don't know what to really say about this. It's, there's probably a lot more that I probably didn't hear or didn't really listen to properly. But for some reason, they're becoming a lot more noisier, but with actual noise, and there's a lot of chatter. There's just weird noises that I can't really explain. It's just kind of weird. I'm really super lost of words for this. I will link or put here somewhere for the last video as per usual. But I want you guys to let me know, and maybe you guys can figure it out what you guys hear through the full 18 minutes of this audio. Because if not, I might do a part 2 of this portion of the EVP, or part 3, I guess you might want to call it. So Friday. So I guess that's all pretty much going to be about it, I guess, because I have no idea, absolutely no idea. But if you guys know what's going on, or at least can hear what's being said in the AVP audio, please do let me know. Tag me on Twitter, even at Darkmage4Pro, and I will check it out, or just comment on the video and I can read, what you're gonna say. So thank you all for watching, and make sure you hit the like and sub button, and I will see you all very soon. Bye, everybody.